Guys, what's up? This is Anonymous A, and in today's video tutorial we are discussing about how to bring all of these taskbar icons in the center of your taskbar. So hello guys, this is Anonymous A and you are watching TechG. So guys, moving on to a tutorial. So in this tutorial we are basically not doing any rocket science but just the basic to bring all of our taskbar icons in the center of the screen in the bottom of the taskbar. So in order to do this, first create an empty folder on your desktop and name it anything that you want. I will be naming it new just for fun. So now after creating this folder named new, right click on your taskbar and select this new toolbar option, and after selecting it will open up a dialog box something like this. Now go to your desktop and select the folder that you have created, the empty one which is new. Select it. Now after selecting, again right click on your taskbar and this time deselect this lock the taskbar button and now drag it toward the left. So as you can see guys, the icons are being changed to the right hand side of my taskbar. So in order to bring these to the center, let's just adjust them in such a way that they looks like they are in the center. So I thought that these are now in the center of the screen. So guys, you can see the icons are in the center of the screen, but still this new is taunting me. So in order to remove this, right click on this new and deselect this show text and this show title. Now after doing all this, simply at the last right click on your taskbar and lock your taskbar and kaboom, you are done. As you can see, my icons are being at the bottom and here is no such folder named new, or it's not looking that I have done anything wrong. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you enjoyed the video and I just hope that this video must be helpful for the new vibes. So that's it guys for this tutorial. This is Anonymous A signing off, and please guys like, share and subscribe TechG as much as you can, because the more you like, the more you share, the more you comment, the more it encourages me to post new videos. So and also guys, thank you for your commenting, liking, sharing and posting on my channel. So thank you guys. I hope I catch you guys.